Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn a concept whether you can use a music in your ad or not, right? You can't use each and every music in your ad and while creating a meta ads campaign because like music do have copyrights, right? So if you used any copyrighted music and the copyright owner got to know that you are using their music for advertisement purpose, they might can put copyright strike on you, right? They can claim, they can sue you in the court as well, right? They do have rights for it. So we should not use music in our ad campaign until and unless that particular music has been created by you only. Apart from that, meta ads does provide us a music library from where you can simply use that music that are allowed to be used in advertising. How we can use music, we are going to learn this. So as you can see, I'm into my ads manager. I'm creating a campaign. Suppose we have selected any of the objective. I will click on continue. So at the ad creative level, right? At the ad creative level, whenever you click on setup creative image ad, I've selected this image and I want to run ad of this particular banner. Then I will click on next. Here in the Advantage Plus creative enhancement, you can add music to your banner. Here is the button of customize. I'm going to click on it. Automatically apply music based on your media and music popularity. So Meta will automatically apply music to your banner on the basis of the media that you are promoting, all right, and also the music popularity, like popular music are going to be used behind your ad creative. So if you want to manually select the music, you can simply click on manually select the music. Right now you will not find your regional music in this particular library, right? Whatever the music that are present to be and can be used in the advertising, then those music can only be searched over here. You can't use any of the music for example, if I want to search for Bollywood music, it won't be available, right? So because that music can't be used in the advertising, you just need to search and select music from this library only. Whatever the music you want, you just need to select and you can uncheck the another music that are suggested by Meta and you can simply back to enhancements. So in this manner you can customize which music you want behind your ad creative, or you can simply turn on the music in Advantage Plus creative enhancement so that your banner would be advertised with music behind. So this is how we can add music to the ad creative. Apart from that, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore the course, and you can directly purchase it from there.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.